So hi everyone, I'm Kayum and in this video we will going to see that how to make temp file online and offline. Okay, so let me first see what type of temp file we are having. So first we will add a temp file for an example. Okay, so for that alter uh, table space, then table space name temp2, then add temp file. Here we need to mention the temp file path. Okay, so there dbf, then size 1 GB. Okay, auto extend off, done. Then again see it. So I successfully added a new temp file for this example, so making it offline. So let me first make it offline. Okay, so for this alter, for making, let me see it. Okay, how to make temp file offline. Okay, so for this alter database temp file, then location of the temp file. Yeah, we need to copy it. Okay, done. Then make it offline. Okay, database alter, let's see it. Okay, copy, then paste it. So you can see that we just had to make the tables temp file as offline. Okay, so done. So if you want to take it online, okay, so if you want to take this, make this temp file 3 online. So for this we first need to shut down the db. Okay, so first we need to make the database shut down and make it mount mode, and after that we will use the armon to recover the data file temp file. Now start of the database in no mount mode first. After this we will make the database in mount mode. So let's wait till then. So we just had made the database in no mount mode. Again we will make the database in mount mode. Okay, the let me show you. Open mode from v dollar database. Okay, so the database is in mount mode. So for making the temp file online, we need to restore and recover the database. So for that, first we need to execute the restore command. Okay, done. Then recover the database. Okay, done. Okay, so recovery is complete. Now we need to make the database open. Okay, alter database open. We will make this open now, and then we will make the temp file online. So let's wait for the database to be open. So we need to wait. After the database become read and write only, then after we will make the temp file online. Okay, okay, the database has been opened. Okay, now we'll make the temp file online now. Okay, So for making, let me first to copy this. So we will query which temp file as well offline. Let's line size 400, call for a 80, okay. Then call table space name for a 10, okay. Done. Table space, okay. Call table space name for a 10, okay. Again execute the query, okay. So we can see that the temp file number 3 is offline, so we will make it. Now we will make the temp file online, okay. Done. Then alter. For making the temp file online, we will execute the following, okay. Done. So let me execute this query again and see that what is the result after making the temp file online, okay. So now you can see that previously it was in offline mode, now it is online. So in this way we can make the temp file offline and online. So guys, this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.